Find or read reviews that people are talking about Airtech Titan V1 custom gaming PC desktop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Dive into the depths of gaming with our gaming PC featuring a AMD Athlon X4 950 4-core CPU and chilled by the Thermaltake UX100. The new Aorus 3.0 delivers the best price to performance value gaming rig in the market. The Aorus allows you to have a good upgrade availability on the AM4 platform. The Aorus is packed into an mats case with tempered glass and filtration to protect and present and cooled down by 4 RGB 120mm fans, including a remote control to adjust the color. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.